Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami rabbit puppet. So start off with a square piece of paper. Take it one corner and fold it diagonally, just like this. Now you're going to take this edge and you're going to fold it in a little bit. Taking this and fold it in one more time, like so. Now, once you have done this, you're going to take this edge and this edge and you're going to fold it in half, like this. This crease must be really well. Now, you're going to flip it to this side, so the side that doesn't have these things. And you're going to take this flap and you're going to fold it to the center crease. And you're going to take this flap and fold it to the center crease. Once you have done this, you're going to flip it over and you should see this little triangle. And you're going to go back here and you're going to shape this so it kind of looks like ears. So you're going to have it here, you're going to poke it a little out, crease. Take this, poke it a little out, and crease. So at the end you should have like this and like this. So that you have done this, you're going to open it up and take this edge and you're going to make it reach this little kind of intersection and you're going to crease. This will help you in the next step that we're going to do. So you're going to open it up, put this back, and you see we just made that. You're going to fold right across it like this. Now that you have this, you're going to take a flap. You should have two of these. You're going to take the first flap and you're going to open it. You're going to flip this over and you'll see a little triangle. And taking this pointy edge, you're going to fold it in a bit. Taking this edge and fold it in a bit. Now take this edge and fold it in. Now take this paper thing. You have this little pocket. You're going to slide it in there like this. Now once you've done this, your puppet will be ready, just like this. Now it's time to decorate. Now that you have decorated your little puppet bunny, you are ready. Your puppets are ready. I hope you enjoyed making these puppets. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye.